This model of Yale Double dial combination lock features two complete combinations, both the top and the bottom, but operating a single bolt, so that the two locks had to be unlocked simultaneously to retract the bolt. Again, the excellent mechanism in here certainly makes a person marvel at the ingenuity of man and the ability of the designers of the Yale company. This is all sand cast in bronze, which in itself is a remarkable feat, and shows the ability of the crafts of that period to manufacture and machine and produce such an excellent and fine mechanism. I'll turn this around to show you the dials in the front of the lock as we would observe it on a safe. A lock of this nature on a lucite mount usually runs around 70 pounds, 75 pounds, and is very heavy to move. I'm really glad to be able to show this to you because of its fine mechanism and beautiful craftsmanship.